Hello friends, welcome back again. In previous videos, I explained about the positive and negative transition sensing contacts. But in this video, I will try to explain you how we can use the positive or negative transition sensing coils in the LS PLC. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XT5000 software and here we will create the program for positive transition sensing coil. So let's get started. This I already make the program, but this I will delete and I will create new project for you. After you will be better understand about the positive transition sensing coil, how it works. First of all, we will take the input bit. Any we can take MX0 for an example and click enter. And next we will take the positive transition sensing coil from the ladder editor. Can drag and drop and give the memory bit, internal memory bit or external also you can give, but I will give the internal memory bit M1 and click enter. Now first I will show you, I will make it online, write this part and I will show you to try something how it works. Jenny. Click yes, again click yes and make it monitor and I will make it MX0, make it on. Now you can see I make the MX0 on, but our MX1 is not shown on because of this is MX0 giving a small in milliseconds, Jenny, giving the time to make it on this MX1. So physically we cannot see the MX1 is on or not on. How we can verify this? So we will stop the monitoring and here we will take the open contact of the MX1. Because when we make the MX0 we give the signal at MX1. After this MX1 open contact when we are using, and after we will make the one set coil. Because of this is the very small signal, so we will make the any external we can make, no problem. QX0 for example we can make the set, but for this set condition after also we need to reset this QX0 coil. So what we will do, we will make one more, add a share MX2 for an example, and we will use this reset function same as QX0 and click enter. And now we will write this program into the PLC. Then click yes, again click OK and make it monitor. And now you can see MX1 is now off. I will give the signal at MX0 and you can see your QX0 is on. Why it is on? Because of in the just small second, milliseconds, micro milliseconds, this pulse provide to the QX0 and we use this QX0 for set condition, so it will be set. Otherwise you cannot see if we directly use this QX0 or internal memory bit or external memory bit. If you like to be verify with this positive transition sensing coil, so with this set and reset condition after you can understand this is the giving signal. So we again gives the signal at MX2 and after you can see our output QX0 is now goes to reset. Seem it's working it seem like that sensing contacts, but this is little different. This is the contact and this is the coil. So hope guys you will be understand about this positive transition sensing coil. If not understand, you can send me the message in comments. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.